How to set any custom sounds or song as alarm on Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to set any custom sound or songs as alarm on Android. You can easily add your favorite song or music as an alarm on your Android phone. The default alarm sound can be dull and repetitive, making it easy to sleep through them. Customizing your alarm with a new song can be both fun and useful. Today, I'll show you two simple methods to set your music as an alarm on your Android device. So let's get started. Open the clock app for the alarm app on your device, then tap on three-dot menu in the corner. Select settings, then choose alarm ringtone. You'll see a list of available ringtones. If you want to select a song from your files, tap all ringtones. Then tap choose local ringtone to access your file manager or select music. Choose your desired song and set it as your alarm. And that's it. You have successfully set any song or music as your alarm on your Android device. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.